2, 1, go.
All right, qualification match number 1 of what will be 58 total qualifying matches underway right now. First 15 seconds programmed by the human players to go backwards and forwards in the community, out of the community, pick up cubes, climb up on top of the platform, do whatever, score as many points as they possibly can as we come out of our autonomous. It's 33-23 in favor of the Blue Alliance. Holy mackerel, the robots are flying down the field, up and down, to 1771, the North Gwinnett Robotics team. Flies around, going back into their community right now. They have one of those power cubes in their possession. They're going to try to score it on the top level. That's worth 5 points right now as the humans have control. 87-36, the mechanisms doing the same thing as they're trying to score high, and they do as well. There's Otto placing one down in the low row. That's worth 2 points. The object of the game is to power up their community. This game is called Charged Up, presented by Haas. They power up their community. They charge up their community by linking the nodes together. They take the power cubes and they take the cones and they place it in their relative grids. They got 2 outer grids and 1 cooperation grid in the middle. The goal to place those cubes inside, fully contained inside that red community line that you see in front of those power grid stations. Placing a cube or a cone in the low level gets them 2 points. Placing it on the mid level gets them 3 points. And reaching high atop, as 87-36 is doing right now for the Red Alliance, gains them 5 points and drop it down, cap off that high tower. It's 56-56 right now with 56 seconds left to go. A lot of action on the field as 1771 is in their power substation. Picked up a cone and they're moving back in their community. They've got a hold of that cone, got it in their possession. They're going to try to place it high atop. That power pole worked. 5 points for the Blue Alliance. It's 68-29. Ignite Robotics is up on the charging station. They're up and docked right now on the charging station. They're also what they called engaged with the community right there as the power platform is level. If they can stay like that at the end of the match, they'll get 10 points for that. As it's 66-63 right now with 20 seconds left to go as Otto drops the cube and comes out of the boundary. 2 points for the lower section. 3 points in the mid and 5 points for high. They can also gain 5 points by linking their nodes together, putting 3 of those game pieces side by side as 2 of the red bots and 2 of the blue bots up on the charging platform, rocking and rolling on the red side, trying to hold that thing in the level position as the match comes to an end. The referees wait 3 seconds or so to determine whether they're going to get docking points or docking and engagement points. They have to be level and engaged with no other robots touching the platform in order to get 10 points. If they're docked, which means they're on the platform but it's not level, they could possibly get 6 points during teleop play. Match number 1 now complete as we await the results, which will be shown on the screen by that Haas Formula 1 car sitting on pit road. As it takes off, it will leave a streak of paint on the concrete, indicating whether it was the Red Alliance or the Blue Alliance that's victorious in that match.
Hey, don't touch the game pieces. Do not touch the game pieces. For scoring, who am I able to check that with? The screen was only showing 3. This is
And the Formula 1 is revved up, taking off for the first time in this competition. It indicates that it is the Blue Alliance victorious in this match with a score of 95-85. Big difference in the match. The Blue Alliance was able to gain more points on the charging station. As you saw at the end of the match, they had 2 bots up on the platform for 20 points. 1 of 58 now complete.